Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Authenticator app. So let's get started. So first of all, once you're here in the Microsoft Authenticator, if you don't know what this is, then this is basically an authenticator made by Microsoft, and it is not limited into the Microsoft account that you have. You can basically use this in any account that you have. You can just link it here in the Authenticator app. So to demonstrate, let me show you on how it's done. So first of all, you want to tap on the plus button right here at the top right. And from here, you can choose either the personal account or work or school account if it involves a Microsoft account. But in this example, we'll not be using a Microsoft account. So we'll click or tap on other option right here. And from here, as you can see, you can scan a QR code if you have the QR code for linking. But I don't want to use the QR code since I only have one device. So I'm going to tap on enter code manually. And now I would need the secret key right here in order for me to link our Authenticator app into that certain account. So what we'll be using here is a Binance. So we'll be linking our Microsoft Authenticator app into Binance. So from here, I'm going to tap on enable. And all I have to do is copy this 16-digit key on top of the QR code. And all I have to do now is just paste it right here into the Authenticator app. And then from here, just name it. So I'm just going to name it Binance. And tap on finish. And just like that, it will now be added to your Authenticator list. And now just to confirm is that I want to copy this first 6-digit code that we have and then go back to Binance and tap on next and then just paste it right here. Paste that and tap on submit, and then just like that, it has now been successfully added also in Binance. So it has now been confirmed. Now I can use this authenticator code right here every time I go and log in Binance. So that is basically how you can add an account here in Microsoft Authenticator app. That's very simple, right? And then the next thing is the password section right here, as you can see at the bottom. So this is where you can input your accounts, like their usernames, their emails, and password. This is where you can do it. You can tap on the plus button on the top right. You can add a website, username, and a password. And the next thing is the address. So this is where you can save all of your addresses. So you can tap on the plus button again on the top right. You can go for the name, organization, phone, email, country, street, city, state, zip code right here. So you can just input them so that in this way, this is just for convenience so that you don't have to type them out manually in case that you would need to fill out your address. So yeah, this could be helpful. And then for the verified ID, for the last one right here. So you can put your verified IDs right here for safekeeping. So you can tap on scan a QR code to be able to directly import it right here into the Microsoft Authenticator app if you don't want to put it manually and so on. So yeah, you can just store it right here. So basically, it's not just an Authenticator app, but also a safe storage for your vital informations. And then the last one would be to explore the settings. So we're going to tap on the 3 horizontal bars on the top left of our screen. And from here, tap on settings. And in here, you can see your iCloud backup. This is very important, especially if you're keeping very important information right here, like your addresses, your IDs, your bank account details, and so on. So make sure to enable this. But since I only have the free version, I'll just disable that right here. And then the next thing is that you have other options right here. Like for example, security, you have the app lock, the usage data, the autofill right here. So this is helpful when you have the addresses saved. So this would save you a lot of time and effort in filling up your address whenever you need it. And then you have your verified IDs at the bottom. So you can import verified IDs or export them if you would want to, if you'd like to transfer them into the other platforms from the Microsoft Authenticator app. And yeah, that is basically it on the basics on how you can use Microsoft Authenticator app. So I hope this video helped you out. So if it does, please leave a like below. And that is basically it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.